Today we're going to make the best sweet potato pies. I mean the best. All right, let's get into it. All right, we have our pre-baked potatoes, which we slightly cooled. And now we're going to remove the sweet potatoes and discard the skin. And everything after this is pretty much dumping in our mixing bowl. So we have our sweet potatoes that we're putting in here, about 2 cups. And now we're going to use brown sugar. Add it in and give it a quick mix. Now we're going to add our eggs and incorporate them fully. Now they're all nice and creamed in. And now we're going to add our butter. And you know, everything is better with butter. Alright, and our mix is slightly warm and our butter is softened, so we can incorporate it really well. Now we have our vanilla jello pudding. We're going to add that in, which gives it a nice good flavor. And then we have our condensed milk to get it to that yummy sweetness. We're going to add all that in. And now we have our cinnamon. I don't like a lot of spice, but a little bit of cinnamon goes a long way. And of course, let's not forget the vanilla extract. And then we're going to mix all that together. And guess what? We are done. And make sure you scrape all the sides down to make sure everything is fully incorporated. Now we're taking our pre-made pie crust and poking little holes in them. And don't ask me why. You know what? That's how Grandma used to do it. We're going to add half our mix to one crust and then half to the other. And voila, it's oven time. In the oven they go. And bam, they are ready. Yum! And hey y'all, for the exact measurements and ingredients, make sure you click the link below for the recipe, which is on my Etsy shop. And happy holidays! Thanks for watching.